Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. You're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about commercial paper. Now, commercial paper is a money market instrument which is used by big corporate companies to raise money for short term. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video on social media. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. So what exactly is a commercial paper? Now, commercial paper is a popular instrument for financing working capital requirement of companies. The commercial paper is unsecured instrument issued in the form of promissory note. Now, you would be wondering what is working capital? Now, every company requires certain amount of money to carry on the daily activities. This money, which is required to carry on the daily activities of the organization, is called working capital. So, all the companies do have this requirement of working capital, which is a short term money for a period of less than a year or maybe a year. So, the companies can come in the money market and buy or sell commercial papers. Now, the instrument was introduced in 1990 to enable the corporate borrowers to raise short term funds. It can be issued for 15 days to 1 year. Commercial papers can be transferred by endorsement and delivery. So, if I buy a commercial paper, it can be transferred to a different entity. The highly reputed companies, the blue chip companies, are the major players of commercial paper market. Imagine this scenario to get an idea of what a commercial paper is. For example, you had a lunch in a restaurant and the bill is 900. You give 2000 note to the cashier, but the cashier does not have a change. So he gives you a paper and write on it that you can either take 1100 in cash or you can have a meal of 1100 from one of their branches within 1 month. He signs it and issues a stamp of the restaurant on it. Should you accept it? Definitely. This is called a commercial paper. Now, this instrument is quite helpful uh, to have financial requirements met for the companies. Now, this was just an example to give you an idea of what commercial papers are. Commercial papers are usually issued at high value. It is unsecured money market instrument issued in the form of promissory note and transferable between primary dealers and all India financial institutions. Now, individual banking companies, other corporate bodies registered or incorporated in India, and unincorporated bodies, NRIs, and foreign institutional investors can invest in commercial papers. However, investment by foreign institutional investors would be within the limits set for them by Securities and Exchange Board of India from time to time. Commercial papers emerged as a source of short-term finance in India in early 90s. As we discussed, primary dealers, people who are responsible for dealing with commercial papers, and all India financial institutions issue commercial papers, which is an unsecured promissory note to raise funds for a short period of 90 days to 364 days. The money raised by commercial papers is very large. It generally issued by one firm to another business firm, insurance company, pension funds, and banks. Its regulation comes under the purview of RBI, as the RBI does not want to risk the funds Only the firms having good credit rating can issue the commercial papers. This is how the commercial paper looks like. So you can see rupees 20,000, the date, the promise to pay the Imperial Bank of India, an amount for a value received, and the stamp and the signature is also there. So this is how it moves. Now, merits of commercial paper. Technically, it provides more funds compared to other sources. The cost of commercial paper to the issuing firm is lower than the cost of commercial bank loans. It is freely transferable nature, therefore it has high liquidity. Also, a wide range of maturity provides more flexibility. A commercial paper is highly secure and does not contain any restrictive condition. Companies can save their extra funds on commercial paper and also earn some good return on the same. Commercial papers produce a continuing source of funds. Now, what are the limitations of commercial paper? Only financially secure and highly rated organization can raise money through commercial papers. New and moderately rated organizations are not in a position to raise funds by this method. The amount of money that we can raise through commercial paper is limited to the deductible liquidity available with the suppliers of fund at the particular time. Commercial paper is an odd method of financing. As such, if a firm is not in a position to redeem its paper due to financial difficulties, extending the duration of commercial paper is not possible. So I'm sure you must have liked this video. You must have also understood the concept behind the commercial paper. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video on social media. Thank you. Have a great day.